Okay, this one good. Okay, then number 3.哎呀，这个没有写。See this one, you didn't write unit joule. I write unit joule. Must write unit joule, like this. Okay, mgh. Yes, correct. mgh. Joules. See this one, you must write energy equals to. 我完全看不到，姐姐你在写什么？mgh。我当你有写吧。诶，这没有做的。
这个我不是很明白，这个我不是很明白。
energy 等于 mgh。
因为
m
还没有 G 哦，就不懂的。
什么？
因为还没有 G，所以我就不确定怎
有啊，
样写。
这是 G 来的啊。上次不是跟你讲啊，这个是 G 啊，这是 this is G for the moon 啊。this is the G for the moon。诶，好，这个 this one 啊，读啊，next week 很大啊，finish all 啊，especially actually in front very easy lah, but especially the bahagian C, bahagian C. Nah, see, hmm, radioactive. Finish it, because this week, because your exam will be on October. Okay, now this one, mass height strength. Okay, this one is half fx. So half fx. So x, yeah, is 8. F is 20, correct? 8. 8 is 0.08. 对，这么0.8的。It should be, oh yeah, correct. 0.08 joules. Okay. Why need to be 0.08? This question you didn't do it. Oh, same question. Okay, so this one is half fx. Half fx. Correct. 哎，怎么这个没有做？还是你做了我看不到？姐姐，你坐在这里好吗？Yeah, so this is half fx. Yeah, correct. Okay, this one is original 50, then final 30. Oh no. Kimberly, what is X? Kimberly, what is X?
老师，我已经写了 X 了，
没有 X 是什么意思
我不懂。
？X actually is changes of length. So 你可以看到吗？Original 50，然后 final 30，请问它变了多少？它的变化，它变了多少？
它变了20 cm，它是
对对对对，so x changes 它变了多少？意思你要减掉啊？哎，这个没有做的，这是谁？文恩不会做
老师，我没有看到。
哦，好吧，这个是 x 等于0.5。Oh no，不对不对，来这一题就是，first of all，f is 20 here。But x should be 50 minus 30, so 20 cm. Because what is x? X is changes of spring. 变了多少啊？50变30，就讲变了20。OK, changes 就是变了多少，就是 unit. Changes means difference, means you need to minus. So 你记得还有那个 Kimberly, when you all go from 4, from 5, we always use the term. We always use back the term. Changes means minus. Difference also minus. Then remember change to 0.2 meter. May I know why must change to meter? Anyone can tell?
The question requires meter.
The question doesn't require meter.
The formula.
Yes, the formula require meter. Very good. So energy equals to half Fx. Energy finally is in joule. Yes, joule is SI unit. Yes, the formula, the unit require SI unit meter. So half times 20 times 0.2. So you will get 0.82 joules because joules is SI unit. Okay, then next kinetic energy. So yeah, half mv squared, half m 500,000 v squared. Yes, 100 meter per second. Did I teach you how to change this? 我有教你们怎样换吗 ？kilometer per hour to meter per second？没有啊 Use calculator. Right, so first you press 360. Then you press, if you are using this calculator, then you press Shift Convert 19. Where 360. Right, you press here Shift Convert. Convert. The yellow one here. This one. Under on convert. So you will see convert 就是换 convert 19 convert 19. Okay, so you press equal 100. Okay, so shift convert 19. Now this one follow 1900. Okay, or if you cannot get it, it's okay. So you do this 360 kilometer per 1 hour equals to, right? You here got two unit. One is in length, one is in time. Okay, so this is 360 times 1000 divided by, okay, so kilometer to meter times. So this one, hour to second, 1 times 60, change to minute, and then 1 minute 60 seconds. Now you press this, also the same thing. So you will get 3,600. 3,600 times 1,000 divided by 60 divided by 60. Okay, you will get 100. Same thing. Then half mv square. 哎呀，怎么这个没有做？Then you press that. Half times m times v squared. Now half mv squared. So you will get 25. You can see in your calculator got, so it will be half 0.5 times 500,000 times 100 squared. You will see in your numbers in this, you can see comma. Comma means for you to see. So you can see it's 1, 2, 3. Now we don't do comma. We just put 1, 2, 3, 0 space. 1, 2, 3, 0 space. 1, 2, 3, 0 space. So your answer would be 2, 5. Actually, you will get 2,500, 2,500, 000 joules. 可以吗？ Okay, so next. Oh, 你没有换。Kimberly 收回换了吗？你用什么换？你用 calculator 换还是？哦，你的 calculator 是……哦，你会换吗？calculator？Okay, never mind. Your calculator would be like this. 应该买一架 calculator，但是我有了，还没有线了。这边first you press 360. You press 360. Then you press shift convert number 8. Then you press down, down. Then you press 1. I think 1 is velocity. 有吗？然后你有看到第一跟第二吗？ Yeah. Okay, so you press number 1. Then you press equal. Okay, very good. Okay, so this one is need to do. This one really helps a lot lah. It helps a lot. Yeah, and then no joules. How like oh come on. 我看不到，诶，心情有换很好。square，心情忘记 square 了，还是你有 square？好了，我看不到了。Okay, so when we see so many zero, please do like this. Choose 1, 2, 3 space, 1, 2, 3 space, 1, 2, 5, 2. See? 1, 2, 3 space, 1, 2, 3 space, 1, 2, 3 space. 1,000. We make 1,000 per group lah. So that's why in Chinese, we always say 一万. What is 一万? 一万 means 10,000. But in Chinese, this is 一千. Then for Chinese, we always count 10, 10,000, 百万, 千万, 万万. But for English, we always count 1,000, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. That's why we always like put 3-digit space up. We group. For English, we always group 1,000 as one group. 1,000, another 1,000, another 1,000. So actually, what is this? This is 1,000, million, billion. So this is 2.5 billion. Okay, ma? Make sure you space up. So teacher easy to read. You also easy to read. Okay, 好来 next 哇，星辰你拍给他 black 一点。你去问姐姐，姐姐很会拍，心情可以吗？心仪很会拍，你问她要怎样拍到这么清楚。Okay. Okay, so now there half mv squared. Okay, half mv squared, 3.6. Yeah, correct. 嗯嗯嗯，怎么这个0.2的不是啊？这个应该是你没有擦干净是吗？文恩，
啊，我没有擦干净。
then okay 啦，correct 啊。Yeah, correct. 6. You forgot unit. Unit is meter per second. SI unit. Half mv squared. 哎呀，哎，对呀、哦，Kimberly 你不会搬，Kimberly 其实你会搬的。来，去年是不是有一题，比如讲44，比如讲36等于 delta over 360乘2乘派乘2，会做吗，Kimberly？ come to circle，这样做。
是那个circumference 还是 area 呢
嗯，
啊？还是什么？
我要找 data，所以这些要量板。你告诉我这样搬吧，不用告诉我答案。它在下面的时候，你就
把它搬过去，把全部东西搬过去。
搬去上面 cross multiply，所以 this will become 36 times 360. This one actually on top 啦。So you can see 360 on at the bottom, 7 at the bottom. When you move to another side, you cross multiply up. So times 7 divided by this one on top. This is left hand side. This is right hand side. On top, right? So you move down means you divide. Divided by 2, divided by 22, divided by 6. 这里虽然是乘啊，但是它在除下面，所以它是怎样按？36乘360乘7除2除22除6，或者你 bracket 除整个东西乘起来，可以吗？Then you will get the data. Kimberly 忘记了。So this one actually is 2，然后怎样？3.6等于1/2 0.2 v square 怎样？
把那个1/2变成2，
对，3.6 times 2，then 这些都在上面的，它没有东西，就是讲下面是1，然后0.2怎样办？
除
除0.2，然后 v square 对不对？然后怎样把 square 弄掉嘞？
变成 square root，
对，可以先乘先，然后 square root 左边，square root 右边，最后 v 等于你乘完了才来 square root 它。诶，好，next 这边 half mv square，half mv square，很好。Oh, by the way, did I teach you how to press this times 10 powers of negative 31?
No.
No. Okay, let's learn this 1/2 times 9. Okay, if you all use this 9乘10 powers of 减30, if you all use this 乘10 powers of negative 31. If you use this, please change to, see now you need to press 1, 2, 3, and 4. Try 4. I think you all press this, right? Times 10 powers of something. Now you simplify this 4 button into this button beside answer. Means what? Means like you no need. Okay, times 9. You press this once only. This E exponent means the 4 button already. You no need to press. No need. No need to press power 0, 1 times. No, the short form, this 4 become 1. 9 powers of negative 31. Okay? 然后 times 4 powers of 6 times 4 times 10 powers of 6. Ayan. Ito mo may zero to. Yeah, so you will get this times 4 powers of 6. 9436. Oh, square. I forgot square. I forgot square. Sorry. So 7.2. 7.2 powers of 减是法。Yeah. 可以吗？ Times 10 powers of change to this one exponent. Times 10 powers of. And then directly press negative 31 times 10 powers of 6. 可以吗？可以啦，你这个也 OK 啦，但是要快。If you want fast, do this. So this one half mb square. Negative means opposite direction, but it's okay. Half mv squared. Half mv squared. Yeah, joules and joules. And when you didn't write E in front, the formula should be E equals to something. Formula is E equals to something, okay? Energy equals to something. 性情 by the way, 哦，你忘记 square，哎，你有 square，你重新算了，拿到7.2了吗？好，可以。Yeah, this one also you let's change to kg. Okay, so half mv squared. 14.88. Oh, see, this one forgot. Cram must be SI unit 0.2 kg. Yes, 很好。就 OK。哎呀，40 kilometer per hour。嗯，哦哦哦，yeah, 100, 110, yeah. Right, now please change 110 kilometer per hour is how many meter per second? 嗯，
老师，等一下，我等一下。
来110 shift convert 19 answer 30.5556啊，你再按回去 decimal，会按 decimal 吗？啊，yeah, correct, that's it. So 30.5556. So it's half MB 30.5556 squared. So for me lah, I lazy person lah, I will directly do this answer square times M is 800. M is 800. 800 times 0.5. So now please be used to answer. So 373456.79，373.456，373.456 joules. This is E，在前面要写个 E，懂吗？这是你的 subject。Okay, so so now what is conservation of energy? Uh, Principle of conservation of energy means the energy is conserved. Means the principle of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. So for example, in the beginning is 100 joules, at the end also 100 joules. Then, but only can be converted from one form to another. Means in the beginning might be gravitational potential energy, then will change to kinetic energy. Apa itu? So for example, now I got one octopus. And I tell you this octopus very cute. Got two sides. Okay, so now this octopus got what kind of energy when I hold it here? I hold it here.
Gravitational.
Yes, gravitational. Please state full, huh? Gravitational potential energy. So see, when I release it, I open my finger. Where is the octopus? The octopus falling down, right? Means? So when the octopus falling down means this octopus got what kind of energy?
Kinetic.
Yes. So this is convert from one form to another. So let's say when I just now it's like this, and now I so means now when I hang it here got 100 joules of gravitational potential energy. Then when it drops, it will drops with 100 joules of kinetic energy. Get the idea? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, good. So now let's say this is the pendulum method. So I believe all of you know what is pendulum since you all learned in primary school, 中白. So how is pendulum swing? This is center. Swing up, swing center, swing up. So when it swing up, you can see it will have some, now this is original. And now when it swing up, can you see there is some height? So original position is here. And when it swing up, it got some height. So when it swing up, we say potential energy maximum, let's say 100 joules. Then kinetic energy will be 0 joules. You know what? Because it's not moving. See? It's not moving. But when it swing down, when it swing to here, it will get kinetic energy 100 joules maximum, but no more height. When it drop back, no more height, 0 joules of potential energy. So now can you see what is the total? 100 joules. What is the total? 100 joules. So this is principle of conservation of energy. So energy cannot be created or destroyed. Means 100 still 100, but can change from gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy. Okay, then same thing lah. Okay, so well, right. Let's see. We look at this question first. Question page 10, question 1 first. A rock with mass 4 kg is dropped from a height of 4 meters. Calculate the kinetic energy of the rock when it drops to the ground. So we can draw first. We can draw this is a rock. Rock mass 4 kg. The height 4 meters. So when they reach here, what is the kinetic energy? So we count first. We say in the beginning is gravitational potential energy, which is mgh. E equals to mgh. So E equals to 4 times 10 times 4. You will get 446 160 joules. What kind of energy is it? What kind?
Gravitational.
Yes. And then they say when it's to the ground means before it stops, all of the gravitational potential energy will change into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is half mv squared. We only know m. Do we know v?
No.
No, so we cannot use this formula. So we just say gravitational potential energy will equals to kinetic energy. So gravitational energy is 160 joules. Means kinetic energy will be 160 joules. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now, so now get it out. And energy cannot be created or destroyed, means cannot increase or decrease, but it can change from one form to another, means the number, the value, always the same, beginning and the end. All right, so now next, this is a toy pistol. The length of the spring is some by mm. If the force 5 newtons is used to compress the spring until the length becomes 50 mm. Until the length becomes 50. Okay, let's do this first. Let's write info first. Force is 5 newton. Okay, then spring got x. What is x, everyone?请问 spring 的变化是多少？来 Kimberly spring 变了多少？
是350嘛？
对，就是250。对，它从300变50，所以它变短了250。Yes, 250 mm. Is mm SI unit? No, mm is not. So change to meter. How to change to meter?
Divide 1000.
Yes.
Divide.
Yes. change to cm divided by 10. Then divided by 100. So divided by 1000. So we will get 0.25 meter. 刚刚你是讲乘还是除啊？你的本恩该你是讲乘还是除？
除
除就对了。Okay, then calculate the maximum speed. V equals to question mark. When the mass 50 gram, 来让我看看刚才是谁不会做，谁没有换，不是不会做，没有换。200 gram. 这是谁？文恩。So 文恩来。So now how? 50 gram need to change to?
divide 1000.
Yes, 0.05 kg. Okay. State the assumption that is made to solve this problem. Assumption means no energy lost to surrounding. Means, let's say if in the beginning 100 joules, at the end still 100 joules. Now, can you please tell me in the beginning is what kind of energy?
Elastic.
Yes, elastic potential energy. Finally change to kinetic energy. So now let's write E elastic potential equals to E kinetic. 妈，我在上课嘛。妈，妈，我在上课。操。Okay, so this one is half F. We substitute the formula here because what they want V. So half Fx, this one kinetic energy is half mv squared. Can you see that? Then you can see left hand side is half, right hand side is half. All right. So now F is 5, X is 0.25 equals to mass is 0.05, V don't know. Can you see? Once you substitute, you will find out that you got one unknown only. So this is called principle of conservation of energy. So this energy equals to this energy.
Teacher,
Yes.
I thought F means have to times 10 for the mass.
They already told, see, if the force 5 Newton is used to compress. Yeah, so 5 Newton, no need change already. Okay, so now next what you do linear equation. So Kimberly 接下来这里怎样办？
把那个0.05搬下去。
对，很好。等于 v squared，所以 v 等于 square root 左边 square root 右边，然后写左边，所以是 5 times 0.25 divided by 0.05. Answer is 25. Don't forget square root answer. 你们所以是 5. You all understand what I did?
Yes.
Yes, so you do inside first. Once you press equal sign, the whole thing become answer. So you square root your answer. Ready? So if they ask speed, most of the time would be you need to use two formula to get it. Then you find V. Right, so now next. Anyone can tell me what is the change of energy?
Gravitational until kinetic.
Yes. Gravitational potential energy equals to kinetic energy. So then we got what? M equals to 1.5 kg. Height is 20 meter. Calculate the speed. So speed belongs to kinetic energy. All right, let's do this first. So EGE equals to EK. Then let's do this. MGH, substitute formula for gravitational potential energy equals to half mv squared. Then you can choose substitute m, or you can just cancel them. 可以吗？ So G is 10, H is 20, half v squared. So we'll get 2 times 10 times 20 v squared. Then square root right, square root left. You will get, right, what you will get. Yes, 20. What is the unit?
MS -1.
Yeah, meter per second. We say meter per second. Okay, then B. What is the quantity of kinetic energy before it hits the ground? We can use E equals to half mv squared, or we can use mgh. Both also can. So you will get half mv squared. 所以是400乘以1.5再除2，答案是300。So answer is 300. What's the unit? Oh, 300 joules. Okay, ma'am? Okay, so actually, if we count out gravitational potential energy mgh, m 1.5, g that height 20, we will get 300 joules. Why gravitational potential energy 300, kinetic energy also 300. Why What principle is it? What principle is it? 这是什么 principle 来着？ Kimberly?
Conservation of energy.
Yeah, principle of conservation of energy. So energy cannot be destroyed, means before 300, after 300. Destroyed or created. But it can change from gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy, change from one form to another. The value of energy never change, but the form of energy change. All right, so now elastic ball with when they say elastic, Normally it will be elasticity, elastic potential energy. What? Will you tell me what is the info? And then inform me more. Okay.
F is
我你都有写。来 F 没有 F 啊？没有 F 啊？
S is 0.12 kg.
It is M 0.12 kg. Yeah, correct. If you want to change to F, means you change in Newton, what should you do?
Times 10.
Yeah, so it's 1.2, correct? Because it dropped to the ground. At rest, dropped to the ground from the height. So height is 1.8 meters. So means in the beginning, this ball has gravitational potential energy. And when it drops with the height 1.8 meter, okay, so it will get it will change into kinetic energy. So for you, what should you do? What is the speed of the ball? Which formula got speed of the ball? Like,
Kinetic energy.
thank you. Yeah, kinetic energy. So you can try first. Kinetic energy equals to half mv squared. Do you have v here? Don't have. So most probably what you need to do, please use conservation, principle of conservation of energy. E gravitational potential equals to EK. See, we have mh, so we will get mgh equals to half mv squared. Sorry. Uh, uh, no need, no need. Sorry. No need, no need elastic potential. No need. Because they didn't say when it bounced back. No need. So actually it's just gravitational potential to kinetic. mgh will change to kinetic energy, half mv squared. Then you can see both sides you can cancel. So just substitute g times h equals to half v squared. Right answer. Right, Emily answer.
乘2
啊
乘2搬过去就变成乘2。
啊，OK，所以就是18乘2，18乘2，36，
好了，我不要了。
所以答案是36，是吗？对吗？
36，然后square root。
对啦，so square root left, square root right. So it should be 6 meter per second. Okay. So the quantity of kinetic energy before the ball hits the ground. So B. EK equals to half mv squared. Equals to half times m times v squared. So 36除2是8，就0.1 2.16 joule。 Alright, so now this one you all do. Let's look at page 12 first. Page 12 first. Okay, page 12 we have energy. Anyone can tell me what is work done? What is a work done? Last
Ability to do work.
yeah, correct. Work done means ability to to do work. Okay. So work done actually is energy used. 要记得 Yeah, many students are confused, like me. I cannot understand work done is energy use until I was in matrix. Only I realized, oh, work done. The word different. Work, energy, word different. But actually they are the same thing. Just that work done is energy use. Like for example, the price of a pen is 2 ringgit. So energy means the money paid for pen, still 2 ringgit. Okay, so the price can consider as money lah, the money paid lah. Work done means energy used. So work done is F times S lah. So that's why the unit is joule. So still RMR. Right? Okay, then power is rate of doing work, so can be work divided. So we say power equals to work divided by time, or we say power equals to force times displacement divided by time. The unit is what? Okay, then we got two potential energy, gravitational potential mgh, elastic potential half fx, kinetic energy half mv squared, right? The principle of conservation of energy could be mgh equals to half mv squared, or we can say elastic potential energy equals to kinetic energy, which is half Fx equals to half mv squared. Most of the time will equals to kinetic energy lah, because this one got elastic potential energy, agree? Yeah. Where's my rubber band? Okay, now. See, this one is elastic potential energy. Now, see, now got elastic potential energy. But if I release it, it will move, become kinetic energy. So most of the time would be either elastic potential energy change to kinetic energy, or this one with some height, gravitational potential energy change to kinetic energy. That's it lah. So this one just now we did a lot already lah. If mgh equals to half mv squared. So what can we do? We cancel mm. Just substitute. Substitute these two and you will get v. Then this one how? This one, if we substitute half fx equals to half mv squared. So we can cancel half. We just substitute f and x. Then we substitute m. Then we will get v squared. Get the idea now? So if they always ask what is the speed? So when they ask for speed, it's potential, gravitational potential, and elastic potential. Okay. Okay, so this one you all do, huh? So today your homework page 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. And to 14. Okay, this is what I sent you last week. 2024年。Yep. This is what I sent you last week. A, B, C, B, and paste.这边你们做了吗？A 和 B。Have you done A and B? bahagian A and B. Kimberly 做了吗？Kimberly
哪一份？
上个礼拜的 last week I sent you. Can check answer now. 心情有做吗？心情有做还是没有做？没有，没有就做完先啦哈。Then now look at C. 来 this one you all supposingly can answer. 怎么你有 print 了吗？心情 Kimberly 没有 print，上个礼拜给的没有 print。Kimberly 有 print 吗？上礼拜的
没有。
有。好来，这一题 Thermochemistry is the study of heat changes when chemical reaction occurs. State one suitable device to measure the heat changes. 来，心情答案。Yeah, thermometer. 来，by the way, I give you answer for A, B, you mark yourself, okay? Anything, please check answer. Again, A and B. Okay. You do and check first, mark. Do and check, then mark. Anything not sure, ask me. Now, Sarah using hot pack when she has menstrual cramp. Menstrual cramp means uterus muscle cramp. Muscle actually means muscle cramp lah. I believe we all girl we experience it before lah. Actually, it's cramp. Cramp. So she put a hot pack. Explain the function of the hot pack in reducing Sarah's uterus muscle cramp. 2 marks. Like, since they say thermochemistry. Like, anyone?
Hot pack can reduce the swelling.
Swirling. 什么是 swirling?
swelling 是肿起来。
对，肿起来啊。
Can reduce cramp.
Yes, but they already told you reduce muscle cramp.
Hot
No, so wait, sorry. So hot pack reduce muscle cramp. Sorry, no marks because you just repeat back the question. But very good. Yes. Like continue. Like next, how?
can increase the size of lumen and increase the rate of blood circulation.
Yes, very good. So now, okay, 1 mark is hot pack can increase size of lumen and the blood flow. The rate of blood flow. Okay, looks like got 2 points, but you only get 1 mark because this 2 point is the function. Explain the function is the function 1 mark. These two belongs to same point it's just 2 marks. So 1 more marks. How to describe 1 more marks? You all copy first. Then you think about chapter 5 talking about.
Exothermic.
Yes! Yeah, it is exothermic process. Or you just say exothermic. Yeah, because it released out the heat. The heat came out from hot pack. Very good. Right. 写完了吗? Okay, swirling. This one is, let's say swirling So we should give 肿就是它膨胀了，所以我们要做什么？
Wound.
Yeah, wound. So actually hot pack or cold pack, please use the mindset from primary school. 热胀冷缩apa itu? Means when When swirling means already expand. What should we do? We should make it contract. Lor. So when swirling means we need to use hot pack or cold pack.
Swelling it to cold pack.
Yes, cold pack. Why? Because swirling means it expand already. What we need to help, we make it contract balik. Okay? We help contract balik. Okay, chapter 9 and 10. So we've almost finished everything already. 9 and 10, they won't came out in bahagian C. So do not worry too much. Next week we discuss a bit chapter 9, then we continue discussion of final exam. Then this one, cramp. Actually, what is muscle cramp? Muscle cramp 其实发生了什么事情？ cramp 是它 expand or contract？
Contract.
对 cramp means it's contracting. Contract. So what we need to do? Muscle contract, we want the muscle expand balik. Hot pack or cold pack can expand balik. 心情它收缩了，我们要怎样给它膨胀回去？ Yeah, we use hot pack. 就基本上来讲呢，就是它膨胀了，肿起来就是它膨胀了，我们要给它缩回去，所以冷缩回去，给到吗？然后 contract 就是讲它收缩了，我们要怎么？我们要给它膨胀回去，给它热胀回去，get 到那 idea 吗？Opposite，OK？然后什么收缩？血管收缩了，size of human 收缩了，然后给它 hot pack，给它张开回去。这个缩认就是它流血流太快了，它膨胀流血流太快，我们要怎么给它收缩回去？给它冷的，它可以收缩回去。你 get 到 idea 吗？
Teacher,
嗯，
why is increase the rate of blood circulation and increase the size of the wound not like together? Why is it?
Because here 2 marks only. 2 marks only. Normally 1 marks, they want you to tell the name of this process. So if 3 marks, if 3 marks, yes, you can write 1, 2, then 3. Okay, get that吗?
Yes.
They want you to mention the name of the process. So, what's the idea of answer the question? Name it first. Name what you learn from the chapter first. Then you explain the rest. You explain the function. But of course, yes, if 3 marks, yeah, it will be 1, 2, 3. Yes. So one of the mark must be the process. Explain means ask you about the name. Function is, this function. So one explain name, one function for 2 marks. But of course, you can write this 2 and you write one more lah. So let's say if this is 3 marks, then you'll get 3. Alright, so now next. 来，这个你们吃过吗？
我不曾，
你没有吃过？好吧。
我没有吃过那种做 heating pad 的。
为什么？没事，来，我们来看海底捞自助 自煮火锅怎么用？诶，没声音。
唉，好饿呀！咦，不如我们去吃海底捞火锅吧？啊，好多人排队哦。在家里面吃海底捞方便火锅，有我们的麻辣嫩牛，然后包脂粉条、菜包、牛肉牛杂包、火锅底料，然后这就是我们的万能
This one self-cook. The 万能发热包 means it will produce heat.
发热包。最后呢，千万要注意啊，我们的湿粉条是最后放的，放在最上面。然后加入矿泉水，加到助手位，把我们的餐盒拿出来，在底盒加上我们的发热包，把我们的餐盒放进来，盖上盖子，等待。
诶，
把我们的餐盒放进来，
你didn't.
加入矿泉。现在我们煮的把我们的餐盒
This one should put in water down there first. This is, yeah. So should put water and self-heating pad first. Then only we put the tray on top. The guys, I think they didn't edit. Should put the pad with water. Okay.
盒放进来，盖上盖子，等待10到15分钟。现在我们煮的差不多了，就可以开吃了。哇，好香呀！火锅底料呢在下面，所以说我们要先给它拌一下。
Okay. Now. So now Amin is heating up a self-heating pad with additional normal water in container. So Amin then put the food tray above. So by using thermochemistry concept, means you need to describe lah, what is this pad. This pad is, okay. Describe how the use of self-heating pad and water can cook the food in the tray. Right, so this thermochemistry process is what? First tell the name.
It is exothermic.
Yes, it is exothermic reaction. Now, 3 marks. Means, please describe exothermic. Means this pad will
Release.
so the heating pad or the pad will release heat out. 所以 release heat out，然后你放那个 tray 跟 food 在上面，所以那个 heat you must tell the heat, then the heat will so the heat will那个 heat 走过去叫什么？ The heat, how the heat moves. Oxygen diffuse. Human run. How the heat moves. 忘记了。Yes, the heat flows to the tray and the food. 可以吗？所以就是你要讲什么 ？You need to tell exothermic reaction. So you tell the pet release the heat out. Then the heat will go from the pet into the tray and the food 啦。来 next 啊，呵呵呵，呵呵呵呵。来 this one we also did before, huh? Not sure you still remember or not. Like read. And before you start, can you tell if A or B is which one is exo, which one is endo? So Lila carried out experiment to study the type of reaction based on the change in temperature. Lila mixed water and 5 grams of different substance. She also recorded the temperature. So A before 28, B before 28. Finally, A become 31, B become 26. Which one is exothermic? Which one is endothermic? Everyone please answer. Yeah, correct. 心情。Kimberly 问恩。
左边是 exothermic，然后右边是 endothermic。
OK，问恩。来，不会也随便猜。问恩。
A is endo, B is exo.
来，忘记了问恩。OK，来 A，OK 啦，I draw 2 pack 啦，I draw 2 pack A and B. What we use to measure the temperature? Thermometer. Thermometer should, even though you put thermometer in A, but we still consider thermometer is outside. So in the beginning, they have same temperature. So this one is 28 to 31. So from 28 become 31. Means outside will get more heat. Means heat come from A go out lah. So this one A should be exo.
Why is it considered outside?
Thermometer always consider outside. Yeah, you all need to memorize this, because Form 4 science and chemistry also the same thing. You will learn back these things, See, let's say I draw a thermometer here. Okay, can you see thermometer, even though it's put into this liquid, but it is still outside of the blue liquid? Get the idea? Even though I put thermometer inside the pink liquid, but it is still not part of the liquid, so it is outside of the liquid. I put thermometer in water, but still thermometer is outside, means not part of the water. 问恩可以吗？
可以。
所以 thermometer 永远是外面的。Memorize this, from 4. Also, we learn back this, Many people will feel confusing, because they don't understand thermometer means outside. Okay, so actually this is an exo, this is endo. Because thermometer outside. See this one, 28, then drop, become 26, means heat is absorbed by V. So please draw this out. We always draw thermometer is outside. Okay, so now state the inference of reaction for the mixture A and water. What is the meaning of inference? Two marks. Okay, if inference 2 marks normally is like this. You write your observation. You write your observation plus your reason. Okay, for A, what's your observation? What you see before and after? The
water of substance A increases in temperature.
the water temperature of A increases after reaction. Very good. This is your observation. What's the reason? Because the A, the substance A, the A will release heat to surrounding. Or you can say it carry out exothermic reaction. Okay. So inference 2 marks means observation plus reason. Now, what's the constant variable for this experiment? 什么是固定性变数？
不会变的。
对，你必须要固定它。你不固定它，它会影响实验的结果。If you say type of beaker, doesn't matter. If your beaker use big or small, actually not really matter. So you cannot say something like not so common. It must be something, if you don't fix it, you will affect the results. You can read back.
The volume of water.
And the volume of water. Oh, we say the mass gram of substance. Remember, a variable must start with a noun, kata nama. Okay? So now, state the operational definition. So, 什么是 operational definition? 忘记了。
老师，我的老师教书的话，我有时候就是忘记问你要怎样回答 operational definition。
好啦，其实 mid year 有跟你们讲过啦，忘记了。好，你就 just copy after of copy thermochemistry is your RV. You just copy this is your RV. Where's your RV? Final.
Temperature of water after reaction.
Yes, is the final temperature of water after reaction. Okay, so the rest you all finish, huh? Please do this. Try your best 啦。
老师，我看一下 operational definition。
是，没就抄回这里罢了，看到吗？是，这是你的 RV，MV 是你的 A 或者 B 掺水，RV 是你的 final temperature。So do as much as possible. Okay. So before your exam, you should try at least 5 sets of try of this question already lah. Okay, that's all for today. So make sure you do and check answer. Then you
Teacher, this entire paper finish all right?
yes, finish this all, and I gave you new paper. Yeah, I gave you new paper. This one. Also finish. Oh, print out, print 2 in 1.
Teacher, this exam paper also right?
这是yeah. This is last week
Guardian
one.
C, section C.
Yeah. So this week is this one got mucus one. Okay. Okay, 2 set, huh? And when you just send me bahagian C lah, 2 set. So when you send homework, just number 1 notes, number 2 you send 3 yeah, 3 yeah, 3 files, number 2 2024 bahagian C, yeah. And number 3 2023. Actually, this one is 2023. 2023. 2023 also bahagian C. Okay. You do not refer. Do not refer. If you, let's say this one, you do first. Let's say you say blood vessel M is what? Is artery. But after that you check. Oh, artery wrong, should be vein. please mark it yourself, okay? You want to check, please check after you finish first. Let's say you finish number 2 already. Then you say, I want to check. I really want to know. Is it artery or vein? Then you check. If it's wrong, you just make a cross. Then you say, oh, it's vein. Okay, ma? You don't refer immediately while you're doing. That's it lah. You can check, but after you do your answering. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome.